$15,000? That's how much I can save you on this gold fortified home. You can use this $15,000 towards a free stainless steel refrigerator, washer and dryer, a deco package, or even gutters. This new gated community is off of Solly Road, so you have the convenience of being close to town with all the incentives of buying new construction. Luxury vinyl plank throughout the living area with carpet only in the bedrooms. Tray ceiling in the living area and in the primary suite. You want to see more beautiful homes? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, FrankieWink 3600. The primary bath has double vanities, a soaking tub, and a separate tiled shower. The kitchen features a tiled backsplash and stainless steel appliances. Now don't forget, these homes also come standard with a smart home package. Call today for your private showing. 251-234-9919. This is one of the gold fortified homes, so that drastically reduces the cost of your homeowner's insurance premium. For a limited time, the builder is offering interest rates as low as 4.99 when you use their preferred lender. This home comes with a 1-year builder's warranty and a 10-year structural warranty. Do you need to sell before you buy? No worries. I list and sell real estate in Mobile and Baldwin County. Call me so I can give you a free home analysis and show you how I leverage virtual tours, social media, and my YouTube channel to get you the most money for your home. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, FrankieWink 3600.